Class 12th. Subject: Geography. Chapter 1: Human Geography and its branches. Part 1. Answer each question in one sentence. Question 1. Clarify the meaning of the term human geography. Answer: the study of the mutual relationship between humans and the natural environment is called human geography. Question 2. What are the major elements the earth is made of? Answer: iron 35%, oxygen 30%, silicon 15%, magnesium 13%, nickel 2.4%, sulfur 1.9%. Other elements like sodium, potassium, hydrogen, calcium, etc. 2.7%. Question 3. Name the themes that come under human geography. Answer: social geography, settlement geography, political geography, and population geography. Question 4. What are the three philosophies explaining the objectives of geography? Answer: there are three main philosophies that explain the objectives of geography: physical geography, human geography, and regional geography. These philosophies represent different aspects of geography, such as the study of the natural environment, human activities, and various geographical regions. Question 5. Name any two world-famous geographers. Answer: 1. Alexander von Humboldt. 2. Karl Ritter. Question 6. Match the following. 1. Political geography. A. Demography. 2. Economic geography. B. Election analysis science. 3. Population geography. C. Rural planning. 4. Settlement geography. D. International trade. Answer: 1. Political geography. A. Election analysis. 2. Economic geography. B. International trade science. 3. Population geography. C. Demography. 4. Settlement geography. D. Rural planning. Question 7. Match the following geographical periods. 1. Colonial era. A. Postmodernism. 2. 1930s. Period. B. Radical geography. 3. 1970s. Period. C. Regional analysis. 4. 1990s. Period. D. Areal differentiation. Answer: 1. Colonial era. A. Regional analysis. 2. 1930s. Period. B. Areal differentiation. 3. 1970s. Period. C. Radical geography. 4. 1990s. Period. D. Postmodernism. Part 2. Answer the following questions in 2 to 4 lines. Question A. What is the definition of spatial distribution according to the Penguin Dictionary? Answer: according to the Penguin Dictionary, spatial distribution refers to the geographical area where members groups of a specific species or population live. It displays their phenomena, values, significance, and geographical parameters. For example, schools of fish live only in water, while the camel is found only in the desert. Question B. Write the names of any 4 human organs used for geographical processes. Answer: 1. Face, face of the earth. 2. Eye, eye of the storm. 3. Mouth, mouth of the river. 4. Nose, snout, nose of the glacier. 5. Neck, neck of the isthmus. Question C. Which subjects explain the following studies? 1. Earth's interior. 2. Human population. 3. Animal kingdom. 4. Plant kingdom. Answer: 1. Earth's interior, physical geography. 2. Human population, population geography. 3. Animal kingdom, biogeography. 4. Plant kingdom, biogeography. Question D. What do you understand by geographical concepts? Answer: geographical concepts imply understanding a specific region, place, and the development of geographical knowledge in that context. Geographical concepts help us understand the interrelationships between the Earth's surface and humans. In short, geographical concepts define geography as a subject and enable us to understand the Earth as a whole. Part 3. Answer the following questions in 10 to 12 lines. Question A. Write a note on Alexander von Humboldt's contribution to geography. Answer. Alexander von Humboldt is considered the father of modern geography. He made a significant contribution to establishing geography as a scientific perspective. He did commendable work in the fields of physical geography and human geography. He studied the relationships between various geographical elements like climate, vegetation, and geomorphology. He studied the impact of low air pressure on humans. Humboldt was the first person to observe the Peru current. Question B. What are the subfields and related subjects of economic geography? Answer. Resource geography, agricultural geography, industrial geography, marketing geography, tourism geography, and the geography of international relations, etc., are the subfields of economic geography. Apart from this, economics, commerce, resource economics, agricultural sciences, industrial economics, business studies, tourism and travel management, and international trade etc. are the related subjects of economic geography. Question C. How have scholars named geographical processes after human organs and actions? Answer. Scholars developed a system of naming geographical processes based on human organs and actions. Charles Darwin has a significant contribution behind this. This made it easier to understand and describe natural processes. This is the use of a metaphor or analogy that compares the human body or actions with natural processes occurring on the Earth's surface. Examples of this include the face of the Earth, the eye of the storm, the mouth of a river, the snout-nose of a glacier, the neck of an isthmus, etc. Question D. What was the central theme of human geography in ancient times? Answer. In ancient times, the central theme of human geography was solely to understand the physical, natural knowledge of the Earth. To fulfill this purpose, scholars of that time prepared maps of different places on Earth. They tried to find the distance between two places. Greek scholars hold the honor of being the first geographers. Homer, Herodotus, Thales, Aristotle, and Eratosthenes are the prominent scholars among them. Part 4. Answer the following questions in about 20 lines. Question A. What is the scope of human geography? Answer. The scope of human geography is extremely vast. In human geography, we study human societies, their habitats, and their development. It also includes the spatial distribution of human societies. The following subject areas can be included in human geography. 1. Social geography. This includes subfields like behavioral geography, geography of social well-being, cultural geography, sociology, history, women's studies, psychology, welfare economics, and medical geography etc. 2. Political geography. This includes the study of a state's politics and military geography. Under the state, subfields like election psephology, election analysis, political science and military science etc. are studied. 3. Population geography. This subject encompasses the study of subfields like demography, census, population density, birth rate, death rate, population change, literacy rate, sex ratio, age structure, etc. 4. Settlement geography. This includes the study of rural and urban planning. 5. Economic geography. Under this subject, the study of natural and human resources, economics, trade, agriculture, industry, tourism, and international relations is included. Summary. Thus, we can say that the primary focus of human geography is centered on people. Where do they live? What are they like? What kind of interaction do they have? And what kind of landscape do they create through human use? The natural environment in which they live. What kind of landscape do they build there? All this is included in the scope of human geography. Question B. What is determinism and neo-determinism? Answer. Determinism. The theory of determinism was first given by Friedrich Ratzel. According to this ideology, the natural environment/nature has absolute control over humans. Man is its slave. All human activities are controlled by nature itself. Whatever nature wants, humans have to do exactly that. Nature alone determines human behavior. According to this ideology, only nature influences humans. Humans do not influence nature. For example, in primitive times when it rained and lightning thundered slashed, primitive man considered it merely the wrath of nature and adapted himself according to nature. Scholars like Aristotle, Strabo, Carl Ritter, W. M. Davis and Ellen Churchill Semple were supporters of this ideology. Neo-determinism. The theory of neo-determinism was given by Griffith Taylor in the 20th century. This theory chooses the middle path between determinism and possibilism. This theory establishes a constructive relationship between humans and the natural environment. Taylor has also named this theory stop-and-go determinism. Explaining this theory, he said that people who live in cities would know that traffic at intersections is controlled by colored lights. The red light is a signal to stop. The yellow light gives the signal to prepare to move again. The green light is the indicator to move forward. In this way, no one lives in a state of absolute slavery, determinism, nor in complete freedom. Summary: thus, man can conquer nature only by becoming one with it. This situation will be beneficial for the development of both man and nature. Due to a lack of harmony with nature, today man is facing problems like pollution, global warming, the greenhouse effect, the melting of glaciers, and land degradation.